Hey, if you are wondering if your Apple Watch can help detect atrial fibrillation, then let me quickly explain how it actually works and on which devices you can actually find that function. So first of all, there's like two main ways to detect the AFiB. First one, you will receive the notification. It will actually comes thanks to the optical heart sensor. It actually looking for pulse patterns that may actually indicate AFiB and can send an alert. Second, the AFiB history feature, it actually requires you to get the watchOS 9 or later software on your Apple Watch. It actually estimates how much time a user with a known AFiB diagnosis spends in AFiB and tracks related lifestyle data. And which models actually have this feature? So the Apple Watch Series 4 and all later main series models support AFiB monitoring feature. For example, Series 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 of course. Also Apple Watch Ultra models support this feature, and models that do not support, so all Apple Watch models older than Series 4, so there's Series 3, 2 and the first one, they do not support AFiB detection feature, and also the Apple Watch Special Edition models do not include the ECG application. This is the application with AFiB support. And what is also really important, that these features are aids, not medical diagnosis. They might not detect every AFiB episode, and availability can actually depend on your watchOS version and your region. So before you actually start using this, before you checking some things, check your device settings if you are unsure. And that's basically everything that I want to say. I hope you find it useful.